Good day, viewers. Welcome to another mathematics presentation. So in this presentation, I want us to answer a question that came in mathematics paper 1 for 2018. So this was for internal candidates. So this question is coming from the topic called coordinate geometry. The question reads, the point 5,2 is the midpoint of a straight line joining point A and point B. Find the value of x and the value of y. So we have a straight line which is labeled point A and point B. We have these 2 points on a straight line. So point A is having the coordinates x, 9. Point B is having 3, y. So point A and point B, they have the midpoint which is 5,2. So how can we find the value of x and y? So to find the value of x and y, we are going to use a formula for finding the midpoint of A and B. So we are going to say midpoint, midpoint of AB is equal to, so you write open bracket, you say x1 plus x2 over 2, comma, y1 plus y2 over 2. So this is the formula that we use for finding the midpoint. So x1, x2, y1, y2, these are coordinates. Okay, so the coordinates we have been given, we have told us that A is having x, 9. Then B is having the coordinates 3, y. So this is our x1 coordinate, this is our y1 coordinate, and this is our x2 coordinate, and this is our y2 coordinate. So these coordinates are the ones that we are going to substitute right here. Okay, then where there is midpoint of AB, we have been given in the question that AB, its midpoint is 5,2. So here where we have midpoint, we are going to put 5,2, okay, equal to, then we equate to this. So we'll do this. Where there is x1, our x1 is x, which we want to find. Then plus our x2 is a 3 right here, okay, over 2, comma, our y1 is a 9, so 9 plus our y2, it's a y right here, then over 2. So now, how can we find x and how can we find y? So this 5,2, this midpoint, it's also showing the coordinates. So the first coordinate is for x and the second coordinate is for y. So this x coordinate, we are going to pair it with the first x coordinate right here, which is x plus 3 over 2. So we are going to write x plus 3 over 2 is equal to the x coordinate, which is what? 5. Okay, then from there, this is a fraction, this is not a fraction, so we are going to divide by 1. Okay, so 2 times 5, this 2 times 5, it's 10. X plus 1 times 1, we are going to get the same thing, x plus 3 equal to 2 times 5, it's a 10. So here we can collect the like terms. So 3 can go where 10 is. We are going to have x is equal to 10 minus 3. It was a positive, it has become a negative. So we are going to have x equal to 10 minus 3, it's a 7. So x is equal to 7. Then to find for y, the coordinates for y on the midpoint is a 2. And here we have this coordinate for y right here, which is 9 plus y over 2. So I'll write 9 plus y over 2. I equate this to the coordinate for y, which is a 2 right here. So I'll do the same, divide by 1, then we cross multiply. 9 plus y times 1 will get 9 plus y equal to 2 times 2 will get a 4. Then from here, we are going to collect the like terms, where 9 will go to where 4 is. So remain with y is equal to 4 minus 9. So this 9 was a positive number, it has become a negative 9. So from here, we are going to say y equal to 4 minus 9 will get a negative 5. So the value of y is equal to negative 5. So you can just say, therefore, x is equal to 7 and y is equal to negative 5. So this was the answer. So thank you so much, everybody. We've come to the end of our short presentation. This has been your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. Bye bye.